Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previous year JEE questions. A plan passes through the point 3, 1, 1 contains two lines whose directional ratios are 1 minus 2 2 and 2 3 minus 1 respectively. If this plan also passes through the point alpha comma minus 3 comma 5, then alpha is equal to 5, option B minus 10, option C 10, option D minus 5. This is one point and two parallel vector method. It passes through a single point and having directions of two lines. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. x1, y1, z1 of the point 3, 1, 1, a1, b1, c1. These are directions used 1 minus 2 2, 2 3 minus 1. So x minus 3, y minus 1, z minus the first row, 1 minus 2 2 second row, 2 3 minus 1 third row equal to 0. X minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus of y minus 1 to minus 1 minus 4 plus z minus 1 to 3 plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 3 into minus 4, minus of y minus 1 into minus 5 plus z minus 1 into 7 equals 0. Minus 4x plus 12 plus 5y minus y plus 7z minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 0. This passes through alpha comma minus 3 comma 5, minus 4 alpha minus 15 plus 35 equal 0, minus alpha equal to minus 20, alpha equal to 5. Option 1 is correct. The same sum can be done in another method. I explain that method also. Here x1, y1, z1, 3, 1, 1. B1 vector 1 minus 2 2, B2 vector 2 3 these are parallel vectors. Direction of line means they are parallel vector. We know one point. We know that n vector equal to B1 vector cross B2 vector. B1 cross B2 is perpendicular to B1 and B2. So the perpendicular can be taken as n vector. Therefore I, j, k, 1 minus 2, 2, 2, 3 minus 1, I into 2 minus 6 minus j into minus 1 minus 4 plus k into 3 plus 4, minus 4i plus 5j plus 7k. So you know the point. Therefore the plan equation is x minus a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into a comma b comma c. It's a normal directions of normal. That is you should take minus 4, 5, 7. So minus 4 into x minus x1 plus 5 into y minus 1 plus 7 into z minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 12 plus 5y minus 5 plus 7z minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 5y plus 7z minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. This passes through alpha minus 3 5, minus 4 alpha minus 15 plus 35 equal to 0. So minus 4 alpha equal to minus 20, alpha equal to 5. the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 4, 2, 3 to the line joining the points 1, -2, 3 and 1, 1, 0 lies on the plan two x plus y minus z equal to 1, x minus y minus 2z equal to 1, x minus 2y plus z equal to 1, x plus 2y minus z equal to 1. Four, 2, 3, the given point. So we have to find the foot of the perpendicular first of all. Equals of line joining E of 1, -2, 3, B of 1, 1, 0 is x minus xn by x2 minus x1, y minus yn by y2 minus y1, z minus zn by z2 minus z1, x minus 1 by 0, y plus 2 by 3, z minus 3 by minus 3. Even here we have 3 minus 3. These are ratios. Even we can divide the denominator by 3, x minus 0 I take this lambda. So any point on this line is, you compare these two, 0, that is 1, lambda minus 2 minus lambda plus 3, equal directly x minus 1 equal 0 equal lambda means x equal to 1, y plus 2 equal lambda means y equal to lambda minus 2, z minus 3 minus 1 equal to lambda means z minus 3 equal to minus lambda plus bring this side minus lambda plus 3. So any point on this line we have taken, we have to assume that this point is represented by m. Let m be 1 lambda minus 2 minus lambda plus 3. Directions of PM are x2 minus x1, y2 minus z2 minus 1. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Lambda minus 2 minus 2. Minus lambda plus 3 minus 3. That is minus 3. Lambda minus 4 minus lambda. Directions of AB are 0, 1, minus 1. From the equation of line AB, we write this 0, 1, minus 1. Since PM perpendicular to AB, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Zero, 1, minus 1. A2, B2, C2 equal to minus 3 lambda minus 4 minus lambda. Zero into minus 3, 1 into lambda minus 4 minus 1 into minus lambda equal to 0. Lambda minus 4 plus lambda equal to 0. Two lambda equal to 4. Lambda equal to 2. We have taken m as 1 lambda minus 2 minus lambda plus 3. When lambda equal to 2 implies 1, 0, 1. That is m is the foot of the perpendicular. Two plus 0 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So option 1 is correct. Next question. The plan which bisects the line joining the points 4, -2, 3 and 2, 4, -1 at right angles also passes through the point 4, 0, 1. 0, -1, 1. 4, 0, -1. 0, 1, -1. So the plan bisects the line joining the points. So you have to find the midpoint of 4, -2, 3 and 2, 4, -1 equal to 4 plus 2 by 2 -2 plus 4 by 2 3 -1 by 2 3 on 1. So there is a plan. This bisects the line joining points 4, -2, 3 to 4, -1. So in this direction, normal it will be P, Q. Direction ratios of PQ equal to direction ratios of normal equal to 2 minus 4, 4 minus of -2, -1, -3, that is -2, 6, -4. Even this can be, this is direction ratio is not unique, therefore you can write -1, 3 divided by 2, -1, 3, -2, -1, 3, -2. We know the point 3, 1, 1, that is bisect, the midpoint we know that. So the plan passes through 3, 1, 1 having directions of normal -1, 3, -2. Equals the plan is A into x minus x1 b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. x1 y1 z1, that is 3 1 1. A comma b comma c minus 1 3 minus 2, therefore minus 1 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 1 plus minus 2 into z minus 1 equal to 0. Minus x plus 3, 3y minus 3 minus 2z plus 2 equal 0. Minus x plus 3y minus 2z, this will be cancelled, plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 3y plus 2z, x minus 3y plus 2z minus 2 equals 0. This plant passes through 4 0 minus 1. So option 3 is correct. The equation of the plant P passing through intersection of the plants x plus 4y minus z plus 7 equals 0 and 3x plus y plus 5z equal to 8 is ax plus by plus 6z equal to 15. For some a comma b belongs to R, then the distance of the point three comma 2 comma minus 1 from the point P is so plant P is intersection of these two plants, that is given as Ax plus Ba plus Cz is equal to 15. Equation of the plant P is x plus 4y minus z plus 7 plus lambda into 3x plus y plus 5z minus 8 equal to 0. So x into 1 plus 3 lambda, y into 4 plus lambda plus z into minus 1 plus 5 lambda, 7 minus 8 lambda equal to 0. So this is given as Ax plus By plus 6z minus 15 equal to 0. From 1 and 2, here the coefficient of x is 1 plus 3 lambda, here A equal to here 4 plus lambda by B minus 1 plus 5 lambda by 6. And 7 minus 8 lambda by minus 15. Minus of minus 1 plus 5 lambda by 6 equal to 7 minus 8 lambda by minus 15. We consider these two. 2 times here, 5 times. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 25 lambda equal to 2 into minus 7 minus 8 lambda, that is minus 14 plus 16 lambda. Minus 5 plus 14 equal to 16 lambda minus 25 lambda. Nine equal to minus 9 lambda. Lambda equal to minus 1. lambda equal to minus 1 implies minus 2 by a, 3 by b equal to minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. Minus 2 by a equal to minus 1. A equal to b equal to minus 3. So ax plus by plus 6 equal to 15 implies 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 15 equal to 0. Plan is 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 15 equals 0. Distance from 3 to minus 1 is 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 6 into minus 1 minus 15 divided by 2 squared plus minus 3 squared plus 6 squared. Equal to 6 minus 6 minus 6 So 21 by 7, 3. The distance of the point one comma minus 2 comma 3 from the plan x minus y plus z equal to 5 measured parallel to the line x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z by minus 6 is option 7 by 3, option 2 1, option 3 1 by 7, option 4 7. Solution. Equation of plan passing through 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z by minus x is x minus 1 by this value. This is a point. This is the directions of the parallel vector. X minus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 3, z minus 3 by minus x. So we have to find any point on this straight line. Any point on this line is q of, compare this with lambda, x minus 1 by 2 equal to lambda, x minus 2 lambda, x equal to 1 plus 2 lambda. Like that you can calculate 3 lambda minus 2 minus 6 lambda plus 3. So this point lies on this plan. We have to find the distance between the plan and the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, but the distance is measured parallel to this line. Therefore you have to find the line which passes through 1 minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to this, also meeting the given plan. So we have to find any point on this line. The line may intersect with the given plan, therefore the point lies on the plan. That is q. This is parallel to another line, x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z minus 6. That's the q. The q lies on this given plan. Q lies on the plan. X minus y plus z equal to 5. That is 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2 plus minus 6 lambda plus 3 equal to 5. So minus 7 lambda equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to 1 by 7. Q 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2, minus 6 lambda plus 3. Lambda equal to 1 by 7 implies Q is two by 7 plus 1, 3 by 7 minus 2, 6 by 7 plus 3. That is 9 by 7 minus 11 by 7 15/7. One minus 2 3 q 9/7 minus 11/7 15/7. So the point q, okay, we have to find distance of these 2 points. To find the distance from the point to the given line, we have to find a point on this line. Then we can find the distance between these 2 points. So this line is given, this point is given. We have this plan is also given. We want to find distance between this point and this plan. For this, we have to find a point on this plan. For that purpose, we have to draw a line. We find a line passing through P, and this is measured parallel to this line. We can take this as parallel vertex of this line. Then any point on this, that is Q, this lies on this plan. After finding lambda, we get the value of Q. So we know P and Q, that is the distance between P and Q represents distance from this point and the given plan. One minus 9/7 whole squared minus 2 minus plus 7/7 whole squared three minus 15/7 the whole squared. Minus 2/7 the whole squared minus 3/7 the whole squared (6/7 the whole squared). 4/49, 9/49, 36/49. Equal to 1. If A comma B comma C is the image of the point 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 in the line x plus 1/2, y minus 3 by minus 2, z by minus 1. Then a plus b plus c equals to P of 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 is given. X plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 3 by minus 2 equal to z by minus the line. So any point on this line you can find R. That's image A comma B comma C. So x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 equal to z by minus 2 equal to lambda. Any point on this line is R of 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 minus lambda. Drs of PR R. From this you subtract 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 2 minus lambda plus 3. So it is 2 lambda minus 2 minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 3. PR perpendicular line. So product of these ratios with this ratio is equal to 0. Which implies A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals 0. Two lambda minus 2 into 2 minus 2 lambda plus 1 into minus 2 minus lambda plus 3 into minus 1 equal to 0. Four lambda minus 4 plus 4 lambda minus 2 plus lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Nine lambda equal to 9, which means lambda equal to 1. We have found R is like this. Lambda equal to 1 implies R is 0, 1, minus 1. P 1, 2, minus 3. Q BC. R is the midpoint of P and Q. So A plus 1 by 2, B plus 2 by 2, C minus 3 by 2 should be equal to 0, 1, minus 1. So R is 2 lambda minus 1. So that here 1. A plus 1 by 2 equal to 1, B plus 2 by 2 equal to 1, equal to minus 1. a plus 1 equal to 2, b plus 2 equal to 2, c minus 3 equal to minus 2, a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 1. So Q is 101. A plus B plus C, 1 plus 0 plus 1, that is 2. Option 1 is correct. If for some alpha belongs to R, the lines L1 x plus 1 by 2, y minus 2 by minus 1, z minus 1 by 1, and L2 x plus 2 by alpha, y plus 1 by 5 minus alpha, z plus 1 by 1, are coplanar. Then the line L2 passes through the point 10, 2, 2, 2, minus 10, minus 2, 10, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 10, 2. From this x1, y1, z1, minus 1 to minus 1 to 1, a1, b1, c1, 2 minus 1, x2, y2, z2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. A2, B2, C2, alpha 5 minus alpha 1. Since the given it's a coplanar, x2 minus x1, y2 minus z2 minus 1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0, which implies x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, alpha 5 minus alpha 1 equal to 0. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus 5 plus alpha plus 3 into 2 minus alpha minus 2 into 10 minus 2 alpha plus alpha equal to 0. Just expand. Six minus alpha, 6 minus 3 alpha minus 20 plus 2 alpha equal to 0. Minus 4 alpha plus 2 alpha minus 2 alpha. 12 minus 20 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 2 alpha equal to 8. Alpha equal to minus 4. L2 x plus 2 by alpha y plus 1 by 5 minus alpha z plus 1 by 1. Alpha equal to minus 4 implies L2 x plus minus alpha y plus 1 by minus and minus plus 4 9 z plus 1 by 1. Among the four options, if you verify 2, minus 10, minus 2, lies on L2. If you take 2 plus 2, 4 by minus 4, that is minus 1. If you take minus 10 plus 1, minus 10 by 9, that is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 1, minus 1. So all will be equal. Therefore, 2, minus 10, minus 2 lies on L2. 2 minus 10 minus 2. So option 2 is correct. So we will discuss more sums in next class. Thank you.